A woman gets a Ring camera alert late at night, but when she checks it, things turn terrifying. Standing at her front door is a stranger in a full Halloween costume, weeks before Halloween. Moments later, a second masked figure shows up and begins ringing the bell over and over, then pounding on the door. And just when she thinks it can't get any creepier, a third costumed person appears. She speaks through the camera and asks, "Who is it?" Their only response, "Open the door."
They've been banging that shit. Act like he's serious. Act like he's serious. Open the door! Who is it? Open up the door! Hurry, make her wait inside! Open up the door! Who is it? Open up the door! Hurry, make her wait inside! Open up the door! Fine then, we will make our way in somewhere in this house. From the back or the front, it don't matter how it takes. Open the door! Open the door! Open the door!
The lady never discovered who these people were, though they sounded younger. It became a big thing and got attention all over the news, but nobody ever got an answer as to who these people were or what were they doing. A Halloween prank or something more serious? What do you think? In 2019, a girl was standing on her porch outside and heard weird noises. She heard screaming coming from somewhere, until finally she saw where it was coming from. A moving car. She watched in horror and confusion as a girl screamed at the top of her lungs for help. Watch. The video captures a white vehicle speeding away, while a woman can be heard screaming from the passenger seat, prompting authorities to release images of the suspected car and urge the public to come forward with information. Despite significant investigative efforts, including a renewed inquiry and a public appeal in January 2021, no confirmed updates have been announced, and the woman's fate is still unknown. An unknown Reddit user posted this video of their Ring doorbell camera, capturing some random person in their backyard while they were away on vacation. What would you do if this was your backyard? A man was seen on a Ring doorbell camera, stabbing it with a kitchen knife, then walking over to the other neighbor's camera and stabbing it as well. In October 2025, a person captured a man walking in front of their house at 1 in the morning, just wandering back and forth, almost pacing around. It seems like they are focused on this specific house, but they have no idea who the person is or who they could be. Watch. What do you think? A girl on TikTok named Miss Kitty Carey 81 posted on TikTok a video of something they captured on camera inside their home while they were sleeping. Watch closely. In the video, there is a mysterious human-like figure on the right-hand side of the screen, and it looks like the cat is just staring at it. What do you think? Staged or real, authentic paranormal footage? This footage of a girl spamming a doorbell late at night into the early morning hours, seemingly for no reason. The poster of the footage has no idea at all who this girl is or what she could be doing. Watch what happens.
Let me in. Let me in. What is going on? What is going on? Why? What are you doing? No.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you live here?
No, I don't.
So why are you banging on the door?
Because my friend was there.
Who's your friend?
My friend.
The police showed up and questioned her. What do you think she was doing? Please subscribe and like the video for more horrifying videos.